Wine can be enjoyed by itself. It can also be enjoyed in a cocktail. We'll start off with a mimosa. Mimosas, we're going to serve in a champagne flute. Mimosas, very simple, usually enjoyed during brunch, sometimes endless, bottomless. If we're just making up a single mimosa, let's go half orange juice. So you can go and fill your glass up halfway with with your orange juice. And then we're going to break up that sparkling, coming out of a fridge, of course. And we can just go and finish that off. Some nice light bubbles in there. Maybe you throw an orange on there. A mimosa. Half orange juice, half sparkling.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.